Here at Joseph Motors to add another vehicle to the YouTube page. This is a 2013 Ford F-450 ambulance. This thing is in really nice shape. Only 10,000 miles. This thing's got everything but the patient. Johnny and I are going to go around the back of this thing and show you the inside and out. Barely used, super low hours are on this thing. I mean, it's clean on the inside. You know, your basic stuff that comes in these things: power windows, power locks, keyless, cruise, rear backup camera, PA system, light bulbs, all are firing how they should. For emergency lights, side impact airbags. It's got the oxygen bottle and oxygen lift in it. That's here. It's got the waste dispenser system here. The power package thing there for all the internals. More storage here in the back. I don't think it's everything got. I don't know. It just doesn't look like it ever got used. It's got a rugged manual cot. This has got the manual cot. I want to be clear on that. Does not have the automatic lift system. It is a rugged manual cot. But it's in great shape on the inside. It'd be a very nice add to a small municipality out there. Only 10,000 miles again, super low idle and engine hours in the hundreds. Watch your head, Johnny. Come around to this side. More storage. This is for the headboards and stuff like that. I'm assuming another little storage compartment there. How you get in and out right there. The only blemishes on it is going to be here, which I think most of you out there would replace all that when you re-tagged it. It would be a little bit of chipping here that's on the peel-off stickers. Up front here, great shape. No dents, dings in the cab of the truck. Super nice, super clean. I'll get it done. Again, only 10,000 miles on this power plant. This thing probably had one oil change, 2 tops. In great condition. If you're looking for a cream puff, we got one here for you. If you're a small municipality, small town, something like that, 10,000 miles on this unit. Replacement cost is over $200,000 something, $300,000 for these things. This thing's got a ton of life left in it. Please give us a call if you want any more information, more video information, more pictures, anything. Hit us up at 919-661-2886. Hit us up on the website at josephmotorsnc.com. I'm Nick. That's Johnny. Have a great day.